Hi, it's been a couple of days since we made this petitgrain Bastille soap, so it's time for cutting. We are going to unmould it, log split it into logs and then turn it on its side and then turn it into bars of soap with our soap cutter. So we will start unmoulding. As you can see, our soap has cracked a little bit at the top. Luckily, it's not that deep. This happens when the oils and the lye mix. It starts to set, it goes through a gel phase. This is also where it starts to heat up a bit more, and if there's too much heat trapped inside the soap, it needs to crack on the top to release some of the heat. A way to avoid this is mixing a little cooler. We mixed at about 40 degrees with our lye and our oils. Really, we should be mixing at about 30, low 30s, because our mould is so well insulated. If you've got a thinner mould and it's not as insulated, it quite often doesn't happen. It's completely usable, it's just, it doesn't look that pretty. So we won't be selling the top part of the soap. We would put that into our soap scraps tub, where we grate it down and turn it into our natural washing powder for laundry. The sides of our mould are laminating sheets that we've just cut up. It doesn't get affected with the lye. So this is our block of soap. We are going to log split now. This has been made from one of our wonderful woodmaking friends who is on our market. He's called Victory Rock Designs. He helped us come up with this and design this. So let's get on with that. We need quite a lot of pressure with this bit.
Going through well, nice.
Lovely.
You can see it's still quite soft. It'll bend still. They will harden, given time.
And these are our logs of soap, which will go into our soap cutter, and they will become bars of soap. Just move these, give some more space. We actually cut these up as to little sample sizes for people who want to try different scents of our soaps. And that's that. I'm going to just take you around to here. You ready? No. At this point we just set our soap out to cure and dry, and we also write on the shelves what the soap is. This one is our petitgrain and lemongrass soap, the date we made it, and the batch number, because every bar of soap has to have a batch number in the UK. We keep a little slither out as well. That gets wrapped up and kept for stability testing. We will keep that for forever. This is where it cracked on the top, so we won't be able to sell that, so that will go in for washing powder. So that's us all cut up with our soap. They're now set out on the shelves to cure. We are going to just take you around again and show you. We will be labelling them up like this. And they will cure for a minimum of 6 weeks. Towards the last week we then start to weigh them every 3 days just to see if they're staying the same weight. If they are, then they're ready, because there's no more water curing out of them. And then they will go to our wrapping station, which we will show you in another video. But for now, that's that. 23 kilos of soap, cut and cured.